In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your canvas horizontally or vertically if you've ever needed to mirror an entire image to check composition, correct a reversed photo, or create a symmetrical design. Flipping the canvas is the quickest way to do it. This command mirrors your whole document in one move, including every visible layer, guides, and elements, so you see an instant global change. It's different from rotating, which spins the image, and it's also different from flipping a single layer. Here, we're transforming the entire canvas at once. With your image open, head to the top menu bar and look for the image menu. Inside that, go to image rotation. This is where the flip options live. You'll see two choices that matter for this task: flip canvas horizontal and flip canvas vertical. Choose flip canvas horizontal when you want to mirror left to right. It swaps the left side of your canvas with the right side as if you're holding your image up to a mirror. This is perfect for checking the balance of a portrait or the direction of movement in a design. Choose flip canvas vertical when you want to mirror top to bottom. It inverts the canvas along the horizontal axis, which is helpful when you're exploring layouts, creating reflective effects, or evaluating how weight is distributed from top to bottom. The moment you click one of those options, the canvas flips instantly. There's no dialog box and no extra settings to worry about. What you see is what you get. Because this affects the entire document, it will mirror text and logos too. That's great if you want a true mirror image of your full composition, but it's something to be mindful of if you're working with readable type. If your goal is to flip only a single element while leaving the rest of the design intact, remember that this canvas flip isn't the right tool for that job, since it works on everything at once. Think of horizontal as a left-right mirror and vertical as an up-down mirror. Use horizontal to quickly evaluate whether a face or layout feels balanced, and vertical to experiment with how your image reads from top to bottom. This is also a handy way to spot issues your eye might gloss over, because flipping can reveal awkward angles or uneven spacing that are easy